Viral Science, the home of creativity.
Hey friends, welcome back. This is another video on my channel based on RFID scanner, and in this project we will be making a door lock system with RFID scanning, a LCD display and a manual switch to open the door from inside of the room. So without wasting time, let's quickly get started with this video.
This video is sponsored by Altium Designer. It's a professional grade PCB designer software company. You can design high quality PCB with advanced routing engine that includes powerful tools. You can visualize your PCB in 3D format. So immerse yourself in visually stunning, photorealistic 3D world of your PCB design with Altium PCB Designer. Start your free trial now. Links are in the description down below.
So for this project you will need an Arduino, a RFID reader RC522, RFID tags, 1 channel relay module, a 16x2 I2C LCD display, 12 volt solenoid lock, some LEDs, 220 ohms and 1 k ohms resistor, a push button, a buzzer, some jumper cables and wires, a breadboard, and a 12 volt battery for solenoid lock. So this is the circuit diagram for our today's project. You can refer the circuit diagram and make your own connections. So after assembling components on breadboard and connecting all the connections, our system is ready. Now we'll connect our Arduino board with the computer. Now open the code. We will just simply upload this code for the first time. Select the board, select the port and upload the code. After uploading the code, open the serial monitor. Now scan your RFID tag on your scanner. You will get your RFID tag ID. Now copy this and we'll paste this ID in our code. Over here you have to replace this ID with yours. After replacing, just simply upload the code again. And now your system is ready. So we'll test it, how it works. So for testing, first I will scan the non-registered RFID tag. And yeah, it shows the error and door does not open. Now we'll scan the registered RFID tag and the door lock opens. And now we'll test out the button which will be placed inside the room to exit out of the room. And yeah, it also works. So friends, I hope you like this project. Do hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will see you in the next one.
Do subscribe and press bell icon to get instant notification for new video.